Are you trying to get your next roster of clients from LinkedIn? Whether it's paid speaking engagement, land a top media spot, or just paying clients lining up to work with you. More eyeballs landing on your profile means more business opportunities. The first place to start is transforming your LinkedIn profile into a highly converting landing page that makes people want to take action. Having a LinkedIn profile that isn't actively working for you is like flushing money and opportunity down the toilet. Yes, that goes for you too, Mr. and Mrs. Current Already Employed. Okay, let's dive in. Today, we're going to talk about how to get more eyeballs on your LinkedIn profile. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make your LinkedIn profile attract a large new audience, win trust, and most importantly, get clients. This is the exact same guide I use with my clients that turns the digital ghost town of profile into a bustling cosmopolitan. We create highly attractive sales landing page that gets them new client, paid speaking gig, and publication opportunity just by updating the LinkedIn profile with my step-by-step guide. Ready to transform your LinkedIn profile? Let's go. Step 1. Profile and cover photo. Your profile picture should be a high-quality professional head that showcase your face and communicate trustworthiness and competence. Make sure that you are well lit and that your face make up most of the frame. Next is your cover photo. It should be visually appealing and relevant to your brand. Use it as an opportunity to quickly and clearly illustrate your main offer. In other words, tell them what you do. Step 2. Audio pronunciation. LinkedIn allows you to include an audio recording that shows people how to pronounce your name. But we can cheat a little here by including something extra. Here's what mine said. Hey, my LinkedIn family. I'm Salina, the founder of the In Academy. I'm on a mission to empower you and your brand success on LinkedIn. See what I did here? Pronounced my name and gave a quick pitch about what I do. Words with one step. Make it a marketing message under 10 seconds. It's a great opportunity. Why not fully utilize it? Step 3. LinkedIn headline. Your LinkedIn headline is a chance to show off your skills. Make your best first impression with a catchy and concise and informative title that screams, I am the best solution. Here's a formula you can use. Who you are, divider, niche statement. It could be something like mine. Create a personal brand that converts connection into paid customers. Relevant keywords, i.e. skills or endorsement. Divider, call to action to move your profile viewers to action takers. And a divider, last but not the least, a sprinkle of your personality, your unique selling proposition that show you a little bit of your personal flavors. Put the whole thing together of this formula. I will use mine as an example. Your LinkedIn business strategist, divider, create a personal brand that people wants to follow and convert connections into clients. Ex-LinkedIn, host of the Insider Scoop podcast, coffee plus ice cream lover, talk about hashtag social selling, hashtag LinkedIn expert, hashtag personal brand, hashtag entrepreneurship, and hashtag in it with Salina. So that's my headline. Want to figure out how to basically create your perfect headline? I've got another video right here to create your stroke-stopping LinkedIn headlines. So there you go. Stands out and leave a lasting first impression with this killer headline formula. Want to figure out how to basically create your perfect headline? I've got another video right here to create your stroke-stopping LinkedIn headlines. So there you go. Stands out and leave a lasting first impression with this killer headline formula. Want to figure out how to basically create your perfect headline? I've got another video right here to create your stroke-stopping LinkedIn headlines. So there you go. Stands out and leave a lasting first impression with this killer headline formula. Step 4. Feature section. Here's where you can showcase your product, as well as any interviews or past media features that you have done. Remember, it's all about making those journalists jealous. They've got to have you. And that's perhaps one of the most underutilized section, yet the most for driving traffic to your digital ecosystem. Whether it's on your website, your podcast, courses, or anything essential to your business. A pro tip right here is to put a call to action and update it the way it remains a centralized spot for accessing everything that you do. Step 5. Activity. It's not just about what's on your LinkedIn profile, it's about how you use it. Post it at least twice a week and leave quality comments on other creators or industry leaders' posts. Not posting frequently enough limits your ability to really ramp up your visibility, aka those eyeballs. Think of every post as a new chance or several clients to discover you. Hey you, yes, I'm talking to you. I'm interrupting my own episode for this. Looking to supercharge your business growth rate using LinkedIn? Here are the 3 ways we can help. Number 1, you can get our signature LinkedIn for Business program right down in the description box below. Or, not convinced? Join our free community, a home for entrepreneurs who wants to create follow-worthy personal brand and convert connection into clients using LinkedIn. Or, book a call with me and my team to make LinkedIn work for you and your business. All the links in the description box below, and let us be your biggest LinkedIn cheerleaders. Thank you so very much. And as for now, let's head back to the channel. Number 6, work experience. Here's a pro tip. Don't just add your work for other companies in the past, include your own product or services in order to increase your discoverability. If you're a current CEO like myself, make sure you're leveraging SEO for your job title as well, since that's exactly how people is going to search you on LinkedIn. For instance, you don't just say CEO and founder of the In Academy. I make sure to also list LinkedIn business strategist, which has helped me big time with winning the SEO battle for people looking for business and lead generation strategies using LinkedIn. Another great way to help you to rank higher on LinkedIn is using multimedia in a very smart way. Will really help you to boost not just the ranking of your LinkedIn, but also your LinkedIn social selling index score. 7. Education. This one is pretty self-explanatory. By including your educational background, adding your alumni, and mention past projects you have done. Step number 8. License and certifications. This is a section where you can add your certification, which is going to help you to boost your credibility of your overall personal brand. If you're looking for a new one, why not check out one of the LinkedIn learning content courses right here. There you go. I provide you the tools to create inspiring content on an inspiring day. If you like my LinkedIn learning courses, I would really appreciate you if you can leave me a 5-star review. Step number 9, skills and endorsement. This section contributes 30% of your LinkedIn SEO score, aka your search appearance metrics. Not only does it also increase your brand credibility, it also allows more users to find you more easily. Step number 10. Recommendations. Recommendations are social proof for your clients. Over and over again, I see people including outdated recommendations from their peers and clients that are 3 or even 5 years old. Who will trust your business if your most recent review is like from ages ago? Keep it up to date. If you need help, you can use my 3 proven templates, which include email automation included in my LinkedIn Personal Brand Boss program, to request your clients, ex-colleague, and leave you a raving review. Bonus tips right here. Encourage your audience to follow you by hitting your notification bell. In this way, it alerts them whenever you post your content on your LinkedIn profile. If they enjoy your content is being delivered straight to their notification. That's a win-win and win. Hey, if you made it this far, don't stop. Get started right away. Your skills and expertise are needed more than ever, my friends. I'm fantastic at helping experts like yourself to recognize for tapping into new business opportunity they didn't even know about. And I'm so obsessed with helping people to show the world their brilliance in a big way. I will be cheering you on and guide you with every step of your LinkedIn journey. I know we've covered a lot here today, so great job. Keep it up. I want to make sure you follow each of these steps and turn your LinkedIn profile into a highly converting sales page. No more boring ruining unproductive, incomplete LinkedIn profiles. Want to learn to create an impactful personal brand story that will move profile readers to action taker every time? Make sure to save this video so you can use it as a reference whenever you need it. If you're more of a reading type, I add the ultimate Write Your LinkedIn Profile checklist this year to my website. It's a PDF with example of each step I've described in this video. This free guide has 13 essential steps for creating a follow-worthy LinkedIn profile to attract your dream client. It contains even more information on how to rank higher on LinkedIn search, build the know, like, and trust factor so your prospect become your clients. Showcase your personality, your vision and mission so you can stand out from your competition. If you loved today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps to get this content in front of more entrepreneurs like you who are looking to grow their brands on LinkedIn. Want to figure out how to basically create your perfect headline? I've got another video right here to create your stroke-dropping LinkedIn headlines. So there you go. Stands out and leave a lasting first impression with this killer headline formula. Stay tuned for my next video next week, and I cannot wait to see you again, Insider. Bye for now.